Dali, batiin ko muna si Manny. Bagong tahi ba yan, Manny?
Hindi.
Amerikano
Oo.
mo.
Luma na to.
Ha? Forma-forma.
Pinagpunta mo ako nung kay Jiggy.
Oo kasi kailangan di ba? Yung
Tsaka hindi kayo puputok yung ano mo.
Ha?
Yung butones. Hindi masyado.
terno kayo. Light blue, dark blue, navy blue na suit, ha?
Yun talaga yung uniform ng mga pogi dito.
Wala nasaan ba si Ronald?
He's in Europe.
Nasa
I
Europe.
think he's
He's in
in France
Paris.
or Amsterdam.
Anong ginagawa?
Nagliliwaliw. Ewan ko doon.
Tama-tama, ando si Saldico. Humingi asylum.
Andun yung asylum application niya. Hindi natin sure kung siya
Ang
nandun.
Business of pleasure yun. Alam ko may dalawang anak siya doon.
Oo,
di ba?
may dalawang anak sa
Oo.
bibisitahin daw niya eh.
Bibisitahin. So hindi yun, wala siyang ginagawang
Sa ICC.
himalado
Mukhang
na
hindi naman.
ano.
Mukhang hindi
Wala.
naman. Oo. Ako sa kanina, yung former dean ng LaSalle College of Law, si Dean Sarmiento, sabi niya, yung kung tama ang timbre ng gobyerno na nag-file ng amnesty application si Zaldico with the French authorities, that complicates everything, changes the whole equation, and for all you know, makes everything, delays everything by years. Kasi they're very, very careful when somebody files for amnesty and there might be political repercussions.
Meaning, kunwari, kasi legitimately naman, tignan natin, no? Meron naman siya talagang mga kaso dito, kaya nakansela yung passport niya. They're already filed in court. Pero may right pa rin si Zaldi, kumbaga na, or even like Harry Roque for that matter, to present their case na these
Yeah.
cases are because I'm being politically persecuted and may human.
Yeah.
We don't know if he is a Portuguese visa holder or we don't know, right?
We can't say
The
for
premise-
sure.
Pero wala siguro.
That
Oh.
they've
Parang
also
wala.
held- visa holder, no, mukhang visa holder siya.
Yung visa-
Passport holder, hindi.
Yung visa holder, na-cancel na yun. Dahil natin
Yeah.
Pero permanent resident in one EU country.
The permanent residency,
We don't know
that's
that.
what we
We don't know
cannot
those things.
deduce.
Yung kung totoo yung visa holder siya, it's called the investor's visa. Eh.
Yeah.
That's it's
Yung
basically
golden parachute.
parang green card.
Oh.
Mm.
But that's tied to your
Passport.
current passport.
Oh.
If your passport gets canceled,
Wala na.
your visa is
Oh.
floating.
Kasi imposible magkaroon siya ng Portuguese passport dahil bawal yun. Kasi ano siya eh.
Well,
illegal.
Bawal
siya
naman.
imposible.
Yung pinagtatawanan namin ni Bocad.
Baka sabihin na naman ni Ronald, may sarili kang kuweba na yung mga opisyal natin hindi totoong bawal sa lahat na opisyal
Bawal,
na
oh.
dual citizenship. Pero we all know that it's
It's
fairly
very easy
common.
to skirt, and
Oo.
actually interesting sinabi nila that all you have to do is, an election lawyer told me,
All you have
years
to say is
ago-
I renounce.
all you have to do is have an
Parang
affidavit
si-
saying you renounce, and
parang
then you
si
don't
Gibo.
submit it.
Yeah, all you have to do is
Marami,
say
hindi lang
all you have to do is you say I renounce
renounce.
before a Filipino public. But anong malay naman ng country of your second
Kasi supposedly
citizenship
nga,
kung
they're
nag-renounce ko? There has to be a process there too, right?
Yeah. They're assuming kasi that you're furnishing that affidavit to your other embassy. Kunwari, sa US, ganon.
Assuming.
Assuming. So as far as I know, and the election lawyer told me, parang ang alam lang niya na talagang nag-renounce is si Grace Poe. Nung US citizenship.
Tumakbo siya,
Oo. Kasi nag-issue siya doon sa foundling. So siya talaga nag-renounce.
But if you do get an investor's visa in Portugal, that opens the door for you to get Portuguese passport as
But I
well.
looked it
Opens the door
up.
lang.
Yes. There's still a residency requirement. And he's been
you
here.
You have to wait for 5 years, and you have to be
You
there
have
so
to
many
live-
days of a
Or
year.
it depends. I don't know what it depends on every country.
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
yes,
talking about
yeah.
Portugal.
Portugal.
I looked it up. I looked up Portugal's.
So how long? How long?
5 years. Yung per so many
But
days
you
per
don't
year.
know
I
when he
forget.
applied for his PR.
We don't.
We don't know. We don't know if he has a PR car. So far, everything's just been a deduction because of what happened.
Mas madali pa sa
But
Spain.
obviously, to say the
3
least,
years ata.
Ano yung
Spain.
sabi nga ni
Oo, mas madali sa
sabi
Spain.
nga ni Sec John Vic, Sec Vida, he is somewhere in Europe. Safe to say.
It might be safe then to assume that he's headed to Paris or to
Yeah,
France.
so he's in Europe.
Because nga kung totoo doon siya nag-apply, mas malaki ang chance na doon siya pupunta o doon
Saka
siya
supposed,
binato.
meron din siyang tirahan doon na nasa napakagandang place. Yun. Nung yung lumabas yun nung kasagsagan ng flood control issue. Meron siya nitong fancy, I think near Champs-Élysées or something like that, na may condo rin siya doon. Or
Doon mismo
apartment.
sa
In France. Chalet.
Chalet.
Sa
Sis, yung
Mansion.
apartment naman. Parang fancy apartment siya in the city talaga. And he was caught with supposedly, that's what we know, a French driver and a car na registered sa France.
So he's been moving around.
Oh, with his son. Di ba?
Yeah, he was in Sweden in
Czechia, he was in
January.
Czechia, he was trying to cross to Germany. There's now reports that he's trying to get asylum in France. So he's been moving around.
Nag-sightseeing.
Remember, he was in Sweden
Dahil
in January because
Dahil pera.
may legal
Nagpa-apostille
filing siya eh.
siya,
Oh,
oo.
may legal filing siya from Sweden eh.
Mm.
So he's been around. He's been
So
moving around.
curiously, I saw caught your question yesterday, that other day sa story call. Curiously, you'd presume na, hindi naman not presume, no, na he would come out to say something, no, hindi ako nahuli dito.
Di ba? Gaganon ka eh.
Oh, belat, ganun. But maybe that's more like a Harry Roque response. Saldi ko, sabi nga ni Sec John Vic, iba utak ni may ibang psychology itong
Oo.
Saldi ko.
No, nga, no, sounds more like Harry Roque, no?
Sounds more like Harry Roque.
Pero he stopped, he stopped publishing his videos. Remember that at some point they were like,
Yeah, wala na, oo.
Dead. But maybe it's more prudent for somebody in his situation to just keep quiet.
I would have kept quiet.
Oh.
Oh, para under the
Iba lang
radar.
talaga psychology ni Harry Roque Bok
I also looked up
na magbablog.
I also looked up some immigration rules nun sa Czechoslovakia, Czech Republic. Malamang nabigyan siya ng departure order, which basically means that
Just
you have to
leave.
leave the country within so many days, a maximum of 30 days. Minimum, I don't know, depending on case. It's a case-to-case basis.
In Czechia.
Czechia, yeah.
Czechia.
Malamang departure order yon. The question on most people's minds is, kung wala kang travel papers, bakit ka inakost tapos pinakawalan? Kasi kung sa Pilipinas yan, di ba?
Immigration.
Huli ka, kulong ka, and maybe deport to country of origin. Ito mukhang you can go, basta leave the country.
Why not? Why is that strange? Because in
Yeah,
in
it's-
EU,
it's
you're
Europe.
supposed to be able to move around freely. The only problem he got was that he couldn't enter Germany.
You're supposed to move around freely if you have travel papers.
No, I
No,
mean,
no, actually,
people,
like,
people
okay, so-
are able to move around EU once you're in.
So it's been very arbitrarily
Oh.
personal experience to Boca. So I've been to the Czech Republic and Eastern Europe. We crossed so many borders. There was one border, I can't even remember, pero parang I don't think it's Germany.
Seamless.
Parang may nag-check talaga ng passport. But dun sa the rest of the other borders,
Wala.
wala nang check. And ang dami niyang land borders.
Minalas lang siya because as early as I think March this year,
Nagkikipit si
Germany announced that it would require
Yeah. Actually, they've
travel
been-
documents and passports or from people entering the border.
Because they're trying to stem the inflow of refugees into Germany.
Illegal
so since
immigrants.
2024 pa yan
Oo,
actually.
oo,
Yung strict borders niya.
But
That
generally,
they made longer.
hindi talaga nagsisilipan ng papeles. I remember nung nag-Schengen kami, tawid lang ng Sweden and Denmark and all. Wala akong chinecheck ng papeles
Yeah.
eh.
I'd imagine that kasi nga it's
Minalas lang siya
one-
ng Germany,
malas
nagigpit.
It's parang 1 year. Pero my question din, and I suppose that's what everybody's asking, nahuli ka na wala kang travel papers, why did they just release you and not deport you out of Schengen?
Bok, ganito lang yan eh. I imagine that the right way to put it is this. He tried to enter Germany and Germany said, you
No.
don't have the
Can't
papers?
enter.
No. So where do you end up? You just go
Czech.
back to where you came from,
Oh.
which is Czechia.
Check.
Germany is not going to detain you.
Yeah.
Germany is not going to let you enter.
Yeah. He's just like, no
Oh,
entry.
No entry.
Turn back.
No ID, no entry lang yan. You just
Oh.
turn back. Ganon, di ba?
Though I must say, I've never traveled without a passport. So, hindi ko rin alam yung feeling. Pero, yun
Oh,
nga,
I've tried. I've tried. I tried to fly from Toronto to New York.
Hanap mo ang passport.
Hindi, hanapan ako ng passport pero hindi na problema. Was I arrested when I was simply put on hold and until they verified my passport?
It's more like an immigration hold.
Yeah, it's an
No.
immigration hold. So was I arrested? Not really.
Mahigpit yung
It took me 30 minutes. They put me in a room for 30 minutes. Was I arrested? Put into custody or whatever? Not really.
They also had open borders before 9/11.
Oh.
No checking.
So this is
Oh.
already post
9/11.
9/11. In
Mahigpit
fact, the
sa
reason I
ano,
was put on hold was because
mahigpit sa North America.
yung passport ko had a Afghan stamp.
Yeah.
So, yan. Di ba, 9/11 eh.
Oh.
So, you're put on hold.
Okay.
You're put in a
Pero
room.
sa Europe nga, parang hindi check.
Hindi siya nag-check.
Hindi siya
Kasi
nag-check.
galing akong Portugal,
EU.
Spain, France.
Kaya nga.
Hindi ako chinecheck eh.
Kaya nga dumami yung di ba? You cross to, you swim to, okay, this is
Yeah.
maybe a not nice thing to say.
It's not a nice thing to say.
You swim
it's
to one
reality.
country, to Greece, and then
Yeah.
you take the land route and enter Germany where all the jobs are. I think that's been the practice.
It's the
right?
number one economy in Europe. So I think everyone wants to go there.
Lalangoyin mo lang yung Greece, pero lalakarin mo na all the way to Germany.
Ang dami nga namamatay dyan sa boat crossing, di ba?
Oo.
That's why they decided to
Actually,
tighten
maraming
border control.
videos online na makikita mo yung gano'ng ka-violent yung ibang land crossings.
So, tapos na yung misteryo, hindi talaga siya nahuli. Although,
So-
syempre, semantics to, ayon sa bokabularyo ng Malacanang, yung nahuli ay ibig sabihin niya sa arrested. So,
Parang, where in the world is Carmen San Diego?
San-
yun,
Where's Wally? Where's Waldo?
Maraming hindi nakakaintindi ng Carmen San Diego na
Ay.
reference mo.
Kasi,
Uy,
Floppy
grabe.
disk pa lang yung game na yan eh.
Hindi, panahon ko
80s.
yun.
di ba 80s?
Oo,
Oh, 80s.
Where the world is
Kaya nga,
Carmen.
floppy disk pa yon, yung 5 and 1 port.
Oo,
pero
yung
si
ganito kalaki.
Manny, dapat kwento naman ni Manny itong mga nangyari na itong encounter. Malaking encounter, Manny, no?
Oh,
Sa Negros.
pero alam mo talagang no match yung NPA eh.
Uy, syempre naman,
Hindi,
walang
kasi-
sa barilan.
Hindi kasi yung military mo, no?
Train yan eh. Well
Hindi lang
equipped.
yun, nag-improve na technologically.
Mm.
May mga drones eh.
Mm.
May mga drones yung pinapalipid yung military. Kaya nakikita mo na kung saan yung NPA. Tsaka nakikita mo kung bumabaril sa'yo o hindi. Tsaka may GPS. Lahat ng gadget
Mura
ng
lang naman
military.
ang drone na, ba't di pa mag-drone yung NPA?
Wala
Oo nga.
siguro marunong mag-operate.
Kasi yung maute, di ba, nag-drone
Oh,
sila,
okay,
di ba?
oo.
Nag-drone sila sa Marawi.
Hindi, pero yung sa Army, yung mga US tactical drones.
Ah,
Powerful yun. May,
DJI.
may camera yun.
Dito yung ginagamit ni Ed. Na mapurahin.
Nakikita mo yung nakikita mo kung nasaan yung kalaban. Kaya, di ba running gun battle yan?
Oo.
Oh. Kaya tumatakas yung NPA, nahahabol ng ng military.
Tsaka yung military drones, ano yan eh, long loiter time yan. Hindi yan yung DJI na 15 minutes. Oh,
Tsaka siguro kahit madilim gumagana.
Nag-biblik
So,
sa
Manny,
mo.
ang tanong ko balit, sabi nila, patapos na itong insurgency nito. Ba't biglang nagkaroon ng malaking...
Hindi naman natapos ang insurgency niya sa Negros eh.
Hmm.
Di ba? Davao, Samar, Masbate, Mindoro, Bicol, Negros. Andyan yung concentration ng NPA eh.
Pero may tanong ako kasi parang based lang sa Facebook feed ko, ang dami kong nakikitang namatay. In the past 2-3 years, sobrang daming mga taga-UP, I think. Tapos may mga PhilAm pa
Oo,
late last
may dalawa.
year and then this year.
Malakas ang recruitment sa
Sa California.
What
sa
is
US
going on?
sa among films.
Oh.
There's a generation, I think, I read somewhere that there's a second generation of films. Second generation, doon na lumaki. Maybe dito doon lumaki. Ang tanong nila is like, bakit umalis ng Pilipinas ang magulang ko? Like, why did we immigrate, Dad? Parang ganon. So,
because
ang naging narrative, yung kwento, alam mo, very malakas yung woke culture niya. Ang naging narrative is because there was oppression in the Philippines.
Okay.
So, because of oppressive exploitation and oppression in the Philippines, many Filipinos were forced to migrate to the United States
But
and
that's only
endure
half.
hardships. I'm talking
Yeah,
about the
yeah.
narratives.
Oo.
So they go back to the Philippines to try to reconnect
Reverse.
to the country that their father escaped.
But the conduit I mean, that's one half, di ba? Okay, so that narrative, if you're second
So
gen,
when they come here,
immigrant,
they're radicalized. Nakita mo talaga, mahirap
but
mo talaga.
who sends them here? You,
They're
as an
organized.
American, you just...
They're organized there. There is Anakbayan USA. They're very well organized there.
I hope they're not watching us.
In fact, this yung nahuli dun sa hukay, si
si
Chantal.
Chantal Anicoche, she had a previous video where she was speaking at a
rally in
at
the
a
States.
rally in the US.
Yeah, I saw that, the
So,
videos.
They are organized in the US.
Yung napatay na doon sa Negros, parang head nung anak bayan eh.
Yung dalawang lalaki this
Oh,
time.
hindi yung isa member, yung isa parang head.
So, second generation Filipinos who wanna reconnect pero may ganong narrative. So they come back here and they're radicalized. Because
Mga 2 decades ago, sa mga rally, merong I remember, may parang, actually, nung panahon yun, parang one-off pa lang siya eh. Nagsasalita na aktivista na islang. Parang may tuwang talaga, may tuwang.
Kasi Rusty lang yan.
Ha? Hindi, may tuwang talaga. So, it was quite unusual 2 decades ago. But I think that was the start of a lot of things eh.
Hindi, no. 2 decades ako, si Rusty ganyan eh.
sino si Rusty nito, Manny?
Ha?
Sino si Rusty?
Yung, disipulo ni Walden Bello.
Disciple ni Walden Bello.
Pero hindi naman
Si Walden,
hindi naman extreme left si Walden Bello, no?
Hindi nga,
Baka
pero,
marentag mo,
very fiery.
Fiery lang yun, pero hindi siya, may spectrum yan, ha?
they're not in the same
O they're not in the same spectrum, ha? Kasi linawin
Sinasabi lang
natin.
naman niya 20 years ago, siya pa lang yung may tuwang. Na
Oo.
Pero
activist.
what I'm just saying is, is mga 20 years ago, may paisa-isa na mga PhilAm coming home. And that was still medyo unusual pa at that time.
Pero ang dami,
pero
no?
what we're seeing now is more and
Ang
more.
dami. I mean, it started with Chantal, then now there's 2, so there must be more.
Oh,
But
yeah.
also, naalala ko yung sa Bukidnon, so parang recently din, puro Bukidnon and Negros. Yung sa Bukidnon, yung nag-crash na Air Force jet natin, they were going on a
Bombing mission.
NPA bombing mission.
Bombing mission.
So parang, how big of a threat is it na you need to use a fighter jet?
Alam mo yung LPA, malakas doon sa bukid doon, di ba? Doon napatay si Kaoris.
Saan?
Bukid doon.
Ano yan eh? The movement weekend when kumonte yung number of what they call cadres. Okay, cadres are yung mga organizers nila eh. Okay, cadres. And normally, yung recruitment ground ng cadres are, let's call them idealistic
Yeah,
youth and students from campuses.
right.
There was a decade when mahina sa mga campuses yung activism. Kaya
walang
humina yung recruitment ng cadres, nawala ng mga organizers sa countryside and all that, sa mga labor, mga ano. Pero ngayon, I think there's a resurgence of radicalism in campuses. Whether here or in the US among second
Yung generation namin,
So it's, once again, they're producing cadres.
Pero yung generation namin,
That's
yun yung
organized.
Organizers.
Organized.
Yun yung
Because
nawala
the funny thing about Marxism or this whole movement is that karamihan ng mga leaders ng mga intellectual.
Actually,
Hindi naman mahihirap talaga. They're mostly university graduates, at the very least they're petty bourgeois kung tawagin, middle class background, whether it's Jose Maria Sison or all these
parang
NPA
kasi
leaders.
it's split
Hindi
into
ito
two,
mga
di ba?
masa eh.
Hindi, merong mga
Mga
ideologues, tapos meron yung mga armed. Pero ano sabihin mo, Sir Monks? Nung time ninyo, iba ba?
Yung time namin na doon nawala ang mga cadres.
Time ninyo. So, mga anong decade doon?
Mga
80s, 90s.
90s.
Bakit yung daddy ko complain ng NPA nung ganung
Eh,
panahon?
because 70s na yung tatay mo eh. Kaya nga karamihan
Mga 60s.
ang leadership ng NPA ay ang tatandaan nila, mga tinatawag septuagenarians. Because
Oh
they
my
were the
God.
same people who birthed the movement in the 70s. Because walang pumapalit, nawala yung
Wala.
generation ng 80s and 90s, sila pa rin yung kailangan mamuno.
Sila Benito Chamson.
Lahat yan,
Yan.
matatandaan na lahat.
Oh.
Yung
Diba?
nahuli lang, di ba? Sa
Yung
mag-asawa.
maraming pinatay, Manny, di ba, nasa bahay na.
Oh.
Doon na lang,
Sila Leo Velasco.
oo, doon na lang tinapos sa military. Nagdadialysis na to, mahihina at matatanda na.
So ano ba siya? Like, meron pa ba silang ideology na pinaglalaban?
Well,
Meron pa rin.
Meron pa rin.
Is it the same? Has it changed?
It hasn't changed because in the last, yung rectification, naglabas sila ng dokumento eh. And when you read their document of the CPP, after na itong Duterte administration, ang analysis nila about Philippine society has not changed with their analysis from the 70s.
It's
Their
very
analysis,
doctrinal.
it's still a semi-feudal society.
It's not
And
entirely...
then
without-
the relevant struggle or whatever is still armed struggle in the countryside.
Tsaka yung tactics ng NPA hindi nagbago.
Hindi nagbago.
Encirclement pa rin from,
of the
from the
cities.
countryside of the
It
city.
hasn't
So, para
changed.
siyang siege, gano'n.
Oh.
Doon nga nagmula yung away na ng dalawang grupong yan eh. Yung encirclement versus yung
Yung urban,
yung grupo ni
ni Popoy Lagman.
Popoy.
Oo, yung mga urban
Insurrection.
insurrection. So now that the basic ideology and belief of the New People's Army, the CPP, remains the same from the 70s.
Hindi
Which is a
nagbago.
combination of Marxism, Leninism. Pag sinabi
Leninism.
Leninism, yun yung United Front. You create front organizations, unite everybody on nationalism, pero those front organizations are run by
Pero
cadres.
unlike before,
And then Mao Zedong naman is like encirclement of
Okay,
of the cities.
But who's leading the charge now? Kasi before, it was
Yun
very
ang
clear.
malaking tanong, man.
Yun ang-
Medyo masison. I
Yun
mean,
ang
we-
walang, di nakakaalam kasi di sinasabi ng military kung sino na head ng NPA. Oh, wala
Hindi
eh.
nila alam, money, no?
Oh, wala eh.
Wait, tingin mo ba hindi nila alam or ayaw lang nila sabihin
Alam
sa
nila. Hindi
Alam
lang nila
nila.
public.
Ano kaya, money? From the same generation of the 70s or mga
Hindi na.
bata na to?
Bata na to.
It has to be the
Oo.
next generation. Kasi ilang taon
Hindi,
na si-
lumagpas sa tumalon.
it skipped a generation.
Oo, skip
Yung
a generation.
generation kasi namin ng mga 70s, 80s, ay nabuta pa namin mga klase, nagbabaan eh.
So what you're telling me,
Nagbabaan eh.
generation ko yung mga leaders.
Kinain ng sistema.
Hindi, younger than you.
Mga kinain ng
Millennials
sistema.
and Gen Z.
I'm
Oh.
millennial. I'm an old
You're
millennial.
not. Okay.
Okay.
Younger millennial
Younger
and Gen Z.
millennials.
Yung mga
Uy.
2000.
Pinanganak ng year 2000.
Oh, mga
That's really young ah. That's
Oo, bata yung
26-year-olds.
bata na.
Bata
na
pa.
ngayon.
They skipped, our generation naman, yung mga generation namin, nagbabaan eh.
Tapos
Marami nag-congressman.
nahati
Oo,
pa.
tama.
Nahati
Maraming
pa.
pa nag-congressman, maraming
What made
they
them
joined government.
What made them give up?
Ako, I think, money, malaking bagay yung ahos.
Oh.
Ano yun?
When
Ahos.
they started, I don't know,
Sila,
there was a
sila.
purge. When they started suspecting
Oh.
their own members as military spies and
Okay.
they had
DPAs.
trials and there were executions.
Okay.
Marami doon nagbabaan. Natakot.
Si Sator ang sinisisi ron eh. Sa purging.
Siya ba, money?
Sinisisi siya dun sa may Salong Tagalog. Oh, kasi
Marami na patay. Sila nagpatayan nun.
Okay.
Medyo
Tsaka-
traumatic money, no?
oo.
Traumatic yun sa
Alam mo, naghuhay
organisasyon
kami
na
ng
kaya
mga,
nagpatayan.
naghuhay kami ng mga pinatay nila sa Laguna, sa Kabinte. Grabe. Ang, yung amoy.
Bakit mo nalaman, money? Napuntahan mo?
Oh, pinuntahan ko eh. Sumama ako sa patrol ng army. We stayed for mga 3 days.
Hmm.
Pagkat sa bundok, gapang. Pagkaba sa bundok, gulong.
Parang
Ganun
hindi kita
kahirap.
imagine gumagapang.
At gumugulo.
Gumugulong.
Oo,
imagine
Mas madali gumulong si Manny. Imagine mo na. Mahirap gumapang kaysa gumulong.
Oo.
Medyo intense yung terrain doon sa Cavinti ah.
Oo. Hindi pa
Hindi pa siya
talaga,
tourist
masukal
spot
pa.
man.
Oo.
Yung ano lang, in popular culture, ang tingin ng tao sa rebelde, they have this image na medyo parang hinubog ng pelikula eh.
Oo,
Na
na-romanticize.
Parang money, ang tingin sa rebelding NPA, parang mga kabukalat ni Bamer Moran.
So
Bigote,
na-stereotype.
malalaki, nakakatakot. But the truth is, because I've been to some of those coverages in the mountains with the NPA, they are young.
Tsaka, decente.
They look decent. They're
decent.
fair.
Oo.
Hindi sila man nakakatakot.
Sila.
Magagalang naman sila.
Sila,
Mga bata sila.
Sila Alan Asbines, di ba?
Well, I'm talking
Matanda pa
even
yun.
matanda na nga yan eh.
Matanda ba yun?
Hindi, ito yung
Bubukid
mga,
mo sarili
yung mga
mo.
makikita mo talaga sa bundok, hindi sila hindi sila malalaki katawan na
Ito, para mga bata, nagbibiruan,
Oo.
nagsisikahan, nagkikwentuhan,
sila.
nagkakantahan.
Parang camping trip lang, gano'n.
That's why when there's pictures of, I think, yung mga pictures ng mga allegedly napatay sa hindi ba kapaniwala mga tao na, pero actually, they're really young. well, they are,
Do you think they make money, like whoever's the head of this org?
Oh, may-
Do they
think
make
so.
money or are they doing this
May
because of
revolutionary
belief?
tax
it's beliefs.
May revolutionary tax.
Oh.
It's beliefs.
Who pays for that?
Pero Bok, yung
Ay,
Yung mga
ano,
in circle nila.
yung taxes kasi, I don't think that, hindi nagfi-filter down naman yun sa
Hindi,
ordinary
sa
fighters.
leader lang,
Oh.
leader.
Sa ordinary fighters, ano yan talagang...
Puso, paniniwala.
Oo, ganun yung mga...
Oh, ano yan? They really believe what they're doing.
Kaya ano, kaya,
It's not
Yeah, yeah.
uncommon for young people to want to change society because they see the injustice or all of that.
Totoo naman. Like,
Kaya
diba naman
malaka-
tayo sa youth
kaya
lang.
malakas ang NPA sa Caraga at sa Davao. Because of the plantation, mining companies, construction, yun ang mga ginagatasan nila eh.
In this area in Tobosa kasi kasambahay namin taga doon. Talagang sabi nila kanya kwento.
Ano daw meron?
Wal-
Sugarcane
wal-
fields?
Walang kabuhayan, walang kuryente. So,
Neglect.
magugulat ka rin talaga na may mga lugar pa rin sa Pilipinas na gano'n.
Actually, naging parang signal ko nga to eh. Na kung parang baka medyo hindi masyadong, or baka may presence sa area. Pagka wala siyang mobile phone signal.
Oo, kung
Parang
wala kang
feeling ko,
internet,
parang
yes,
wait.
exactly. Yung area ng katulong namin doon sa Tobosa, wala silang,
Internet.
walang internet. Walang internet penetration.
Tsaka walang cell signal. Minsan mag-drive ka parang, di ba, okay. Tapos mamaya biglang mamatay yung Spotify.
Counterinsurgency ang Facebook Manny,
Oo.
tsaka internet.
Kasi
The best counterinsurgency
So
tool is like
if
internet.
lagyan natin ng signal yung mga lugar na yon, baka posibleng
Yun ang dapat gawin ng military, magkabitan ng
Starlink or
Starlink.
Oo.
tulungan kaya tayo
Diba?
ni Elon Musk.
naalala ko nung
Para magre-reels, biro mo. Puro reels lang ginagawa TikTok ng mga tao.
naalala ko nung nakidnap isang general sa Davao eh. Yung mga statement ng NPA, laser printer eh.
Ano,
Laser
Manny?
printer?
Laser printed. Oo.
Hindi na mimeograph.
Hindi, oo.
So meron silang saksakan.
Meron sa bundok. Sa Bicol nga lang, may computer
Meron
eh.
na kasing
At saka-
power bank kayo.
at saka
Hindi
totoo.
power bank yun. Minsan, Bok, madalas lang
Genset,
genset talaga.
genset,
Literal na
oh.
genset.
Genset.
Huli
Pero-
naming lakad, may
pero, Bok,
genset silang dala.
Pero, Bok, hindi rin totoong may kuta sa bundok, ha?
Wala, oh. Wala.
Yung feeling ko na sa mga barabarangay sila.
Oo.
Oo.
Nasa-
They're assimilated, di ba?
They're among, I think,
They're among the people.
Kasi
Hindi ba sila parang
yung isang press kong pinuntahan ko sa bundok, pagdating namin ng bundok, saka pala sila kung gumawa ng mga
Staged.
kubo.
Because they
Naganap lang
they
silang
don't bring
empty.
you to their
They don't
camp.
bring you there.
They
bring
put
you
up a
somewhere.
camp for
They
you.
put up a camp for you.
A show camp.
Specifically,
Siyempre, kasi
oo.
magmahanap niyo
Tapos
sila.
sa umaga, mag-exercise yan para makukunan ninyo.
Ganun yan.
Okay,
All
so,
for a show.
Oo.
Oo.
pero di ba, okay, so, ang dami
they
incident.
move between being combatants and being ordinary people. And
Okay, I suppose the next question is, why should people who did not drink the Kool-Aid, why should they care? Why should it matter? I mean, should we be... It's disturbing. I mean, they put the videos online. It's also social media na parang, okay, so na-convert ito ng madali because they're looking into, parang looking into their history and their pasts. But it's also so easy to get information online, which can be good or bad. But it's also like spreading like crazy.
Alam mo,
Silence.
What are you trying to say?
hirap sagutin tanong mo.
Hindi, pero alam mo,
Tagal.
Hindi
The
ko alam
oldest,
mo, I mean,
the
no-
oldest communist insurgency, I think, in history. Normally they say if the insurgency goes beyond 20 years, wala na yan. It won't have any chance of succeeding anymore.
Yun nga eh.
You should succeed at your 10th or 5th year, whatever. We're at 50
eto,
years.
60 na eh.
Hindi, pero ito nga.
So, pero it's still alive, man.
Oh.
It's not dying.
Yeah.
It's still alive.
It's
Tayo na lang ata eh.
spreading.
Meron pa bang iba?
Meron pa sa
Sino pa?
Colombia.
Oh,
Pero mas wala na booking FARC. Matagal nang
It's
yung FARC.
Meron pang konti. Yung para Bundo Marti.
Oh, di ba matagal lang wala yung
And
FARC?
this is,
Wala nang,
money.
ano.
This is a continuing insurgency. Parehong movement siya. It's not a
Yeah.
it's not a branch of
It's not a
another.
splinter,
Hindi to kamukha ng Hawk
offshoot.
Balahap at just nag-NPA. Hindi,
PKP,
ito
tapos
dire-diretso to.
Oh.
Ayun eh. So parang feeling ko yun. So we let it go. It's still alive. It's always been there in the background in various levels of strength. And then what?
Hindi kasi
Ano ba plano nung army?
meron kasi sa sa NDCP, National Defense College, may mga paper sila eh. Anong root causes ng insurgency? Injustice, poverty, ignorance, negligence, corruption. Lahat yan nandiyan pa eh. Hanggat nandiyan yan, nag-breed ng ng
Tsaka Mogs,
insurgency.
hindi naman nila kailangan gawa ng paper para sabihin yun.
Oo nga eh. Actually,
Hard card lang.
actually parang Pero pinag-aralan pa nila yan.
Pinag-aralan nila yan. Yung mga paper sa
Kailangan pa
NDCP.
NDCP eh.
Oo.
Para,
Tagal ko na-
para sa doctorate.
Tagal ko nang nabasa, 80s pa eh.
Pinag-aralan pa talaga nila yung money. No?
Oh.
So is the strategy now to just try to gun them down?
Hindi.
Is there a bigger, I mean, obviously, if we solve those issues, then maybe mawala sila, pag satisfied sila and masaya sila.
Naalala ko si Mission General, si General Segovia, Class 82. Naging yan, commander sa Davao. So, para yung hearts and mind ng mga tao, meron silang weekly na outreach sa mga remote areas. Alam mo,
Parang napaka-Vietnam War pa ng hearts and
oh,
minds.
pero alam mo pinakamahabang pila ng mga tao,
Oh, ano?
injustice.
Anong specifically,
Ninakawan ng kalabaw, inagawan ng lupa, nirep yung anak, no?
Ganun
Ganon.
Parang no?
Pero
Oo.
those are still the stories we hear
Yung
on
pa rin hanggang
Tulfo.
ngayon eh. Hindi
It's
naman
the exact
nagbago eh.
same thing. So, kasalanan-
Cycle lang, cycle.
Cycle siya, pero hindi nga siya cycle kasi hindi siya umiikot eh.
Hindi, tuloy na.
Na kung may TikTok lang sana yung mga tao, baka nalihis yung kanilang, na-divert yung kanilang attention sa mga
Baka
hindi at seryosong problema ng lipunan.
Oo, pero also, kung
Di ba
idealistic ka,
naisip na
how would you
military
think
yan,
to
ma'am?
help? I mean, it might be,
Parang alam mo, 'di ba, how does South Korea subvert North Korea? Sending USBs of tele-K-dramas. Di ba? Cultural subversion.
Ibang
saka
klase soft
secret
power.
internet access. Meron
kaya
silang
nga,
ganun
secret
eh.
internet access. Ganun.
Walang internet sa North Korea eh.
Kanya nga, bigyan mo ng Wi-Fi.
Kaya yung mga North Koreans na pupunta ng Ukraine, lumalaban sa for Russia, sa Russia may internet. Kaya pagdating doon, tumatakas na.
Pero, yung mga PhilAm na bumalik dito para makibaka, may mga internet sila. And yet,
Yeah, radicalized. Iba naman.
Radicalized.
I think that's the offshoot of culture wars in America. Diba?
Bakit yung ISIS? Puro din, video rin yun. Social media rin.
For the first time, leftism, Marxism is going mainstream in the
yeah,
United States.
it is. Not just
Your
it, even
mayor of New York City is a Marxist.
the rise
Right?
of populism was, even nung before na manalo si Duterte, parang yun na rin yung, may ganong conversation eh, di ba?
Si Duterte, sabi niya, the first socialist president.
Siya daw.
Siya raw.
Naniniwala ka doon, Manny?
Hindi.
Ikaw ba? Naniniwala ka doon?
Sabi nga yun, mabuhay ang New People's Army.
Oo, data.
Oo.
Kaibigan niya lahat yan, Manny, di ba?
Di ba nag-away nga sila?
That was
After
later
all.
on.
Pero remember,
Not so long
nung
after.
unprecedented bold move to appoint 4.
Kabsak.
Sa Lisa Masa.
Oh, to
And
the
then he
cabinet.
had them all brought to Malacanang
Yes.
from Menjola.
Yes.
And they had a photo op.
I remember. And then, what happened after was na they were brokering the peace talks in, I think, Norway. Diba?
Si Robin Padilla
tuloy-tuloy
even
yan.
went to,
Oo, and then parang
to talk to Joma
medyo
Season.
na-snub siya in the end, di ba? Kaya tinanggal na isa-isa na wala
I
yung
think
mga...
the problem was pressure from the military eventually.
Oh.
Duterte just gave in to pressure from the military who did not like this accommodation of the Duterte administration with the left.
Siyempre, mas takot
Ayun na yan.
mas takot si Duterte sa military.
Sino susundin mo? si Lisa Masa o
Yung pwede
AFP.
mag-kudeta sa'yo.
Oo.
Diba?
Ayari-isa ni Ed Anyo.
Ayaw nila, di ba? Yung mga Christmas ceasefire, ayaw
Oo.
nila yan.
Di ba nung na-corner ng army, si Commander Parago sa Davao, tumawag si Parago kay Duterte. Sabi, tulungan mo naman ako para ma-relieve yung pressure. tinawagan ni Duterte si Ed Año, siya yung commander doon eh. Tinanggihan siya.
Walang magagawa.
Wala.
magagawa.
Pinatay talaga si Parago.
Oo, hindi mo. May kinakatakutan din si Duterte, especially military.
Oo.
Hindi niya pwede anuhin niya. So, Manny,
Pero wild ang
kanina-
swing niya.
Hmm?
Wild ang swing ni Duterte.
Oo, talaga.
From
wild.
2016 going to kailan ba yung NTFL Cup? 2019, 2018.
18.
Wild ang swing niya.
Oh.
Extreme to extreme.
was ako all those years, Bok Atigo, it wasn't him. It was really the defense
military.
establishment.
Military.
Oh.
Which was, and he, at the very least, hindi na niya pinigilan. Sa military, it was Esperon who did the NTF Alca,
Oh.
right? Whole of government approach.
He did try, but ako rin feeling ko parang they weren't really open to negotiating and laying down arms.
Anyway, bumanat din yung kaliwa sa administrasyon di ba?
Oo.
Kumalas sila. Di ba? Bumanat na rin sila. Pero Manny, kanina nabanggit mo na iba na rin yung training at skill, kakayahan ng
Army.
AFP.
Oh, nag-improve.
Bakit?
Gamit.
May gamit
May
na.
gamit na.
Busog na.
Tapos yung kaka-exercise sa Makano,
Aha.
na-upgrade yung skills nila. Importante kasi, meron kang technology-driven,
Is it technology-driven really, or is it like hands-on experience? Because I think we have probably one of the most experienced military in the
in
world.
terms of, fighting
Yeah.
insurgency.
Oh.
Insurgency.
Yeah.
Pero conventional warfare, malayo pa.
Yeah, but we're talking about military fighting the NPA, which is what you said kanina. Iba yung skill ng military ng Filipino soldier in handling this thing. So, experience yan, Manny.
Experience.
Marawi, NPA, insurgency.
Actually, yung Marawi, learning experience nila yan eh. Kasi nakita nila na wala silang urban warfare capability.
Nagkaroon ng ngayon.
Oo, kasi alam mo yung mga bahay sa Marawi, ang kakapal ng semento.
Tataas ang pader.
Oo, makakapal ng semento. Talagang nahirapan yung military doon, maski bombahin nila.
Sanay sila sa gubat-gubat na
Oo.
walang,
Pero
walang bakod, walang semento.
Iba yung Marawi doon sa sa kalaban mo NPA. NPA nasa gubat. Eh.
What would you
Gubat,
say is the
oh.
difference? Gubat versus urban?
Malaki kaibahan na
Walang semento sa
Hindi,
gubat.
pero in terms of hindi lang yung stage kung saan sila nag-aaway, pero like may difference ba pagka yung AFP inaaway yung let's say yung mga mas religious radicals?
May advantage kasi yung NPA sa terrain. Abisado nila yung lugar eh. Kasi doon sila kumikilos eh. Yung usually yung mga military, kunyari, galing Mindanao yan, galing Luzon, dadali mo sa ganitong lugar, hindi na kabisado yung lugar.
Mhm.
Yung NPA, tiga doon. Kaya kayang paikutin yung yung military.
Ako I think yes, factor nga yung yung modernization tsaka improvement ng equipment and skills ng military. Pero going back to we've been fighting an insurgency war for how many decades already?
50.
Going five decades.
50. More than
So
50.
5 years.
Di ba?
50 years.
As far as experience is concerned,
71.
we're the most experienced
55
army.
years.
When it comes to
55
Malapit na siya
counterinsurgency.
years.
maging senior citizen.
What made a difference in the last 6 to 8 years?
Biro, pareto.
Drones.
Hindi.
Pareho.
Drones.
Ang tingin ko, what made the difference in the last 6 to 8 years was when the state started cracking down on other organizations affiliated with the left.
You mean red tagging?
Well, whatever way we want to put it, it's when the state started doing that, it started shutting the valve off to sa recruitment.
Not really, Bok. They're still there.
Yeah. Pero
Well, they diversified their market.
Kita mo yung pagbawas ng movement. Mas konting recruits, mas konting mga kadena.
Bumabalik nga ngayon ata, Bok eh.
Oo ba?
In
Ang
this-
dami na yun
In this
eh.
administration.
I don't think it has to do with the administration than with the times. I think it's a Gen Z millennial woke culture thing. Yun lang.
I think
But
it's
you're right.
both.
There was a time with nawala eh.
Kasi
Nawala.
gumalaw ka ng ganito, magsabi ka ng ganun, you're identified already with the extreme left.
Hmm.
So that affects everything down the line. even reporters sometimes feel that heat eh.
Yes, yes.
Diba? Can you imagine mga estudyante? Can you imagine organizers? So, I can imagine na medyo nag-dry up yung recruitment efforts along those lines. And nabawasan yung new recruits for cadres. You don't have as many cadres anymore. You
At-
get less people
which
on
is,
the ground.
Which was my point na until recently. Because recently, there seems to be an uptick. That's what I'm trying.
Yeah.
That's what
Yun
I'm,
nga eh.
that's
But-
what I'm, personally, that's what I'm sensing. When we talk to, kunyari, for example, some of our younger producers here, I mean, yes, sir, lakas ng activism sa campuses ngayon.
Mhm.
Hindi, tsaka
Ngayon,
yung-
Recently
Totoo.
baka,
Yeah,
pero you're right.
I can
Pero
imagine
recently, maybe 3-4 years.
And I can imagine that. Kasi iba yung rhetoric ng panahon ni Duterte.
Oh.
Dun sa panahon ni Marcos.
Tsaka yung kabataan party
list.
list. Sa Ateneo, lakas eh.
Oo.
Tingnan mo.
Super. Pero
Ateneo yun,
yung
ha?
Ateneo
Oo.
talaga, nakita ko sila yung flood control march. Medyo nagulat ako kasi mga Atenista to eh.
This is like fairly recent, no?
Oo.
Hindi, so
Fairly
tama.
recent.
So meron nga bang correlation na with this admin? I mean, apart from the broader general wokeness,
I don't think it's
General
related to
I
this
mean, do they
admin.
think they can
General
get away
wokeness
with
talaga.
more because it's not
I
as
don't think
scary?
it's related to this admin as it is more to related to the culture wars where this is gonna get a little deep. Antonio Gramsci, the Italian Marxist. Okay, sorry, no? Medyo
Sige, we're going into
ideological to. Oh.
ideology anyway.
Ang point palagi ni Antonio Gramsci, who's an Italian Marxist, hindi workers kailangan i-capture mo yung mga institutions, transform them, media, universities, campuses, there. And I think this whole woke culture was an entry point para, that eventually led to the radicalization of not everybody but of some.
Tsaka yung cycle
Gramsci,
yung cycle
very
ng...
relevant today. May
Guys,
YouTube
read it.
video on Gramsci.
Hindi na uso magbasa. YouTube
Oo.
video na lang. Ask
Oo.
ChatGPT.
Merong may yung boom and bust cycle ng economy natin. When Ramos was in power, gumaganda economy, di ba? So, nabawasan yung NPA from 25,000 to 6,000.
Tapos sumarang ata P-stocks noon.
No? Marang ata P-stocks. Dumating si ERAP. Nagkaroon ng financial crisis ng ASEAN. Dumami ang mahirap. Lumaki uli NPA. Tapos, nung dumating si Gloria, nabawasan, di ba? Kaya lang, nung naging Hello Garci, lumaki uli yung NPA. No? Nung dumating si Pinoy, nabawasan uli yung NPA. Tapos, nung si Duterte,
Lalong lumit, Manny. Panahon
Hindi,
ni Duterte, lalo lumit. Lumit ng
lumit
mga 2,000 na lang.
Oo. Hindi, ngayon wala nga. Less than 1,000 eh.
Oh, yun.
Pero kahit nung maliit sila, baka doon sila nag-iipon ng, alam mo yun, yung
Lakas.
hahantayin lang nila, hantayin lang natin matapos to, hantayin lang natin.
Remember, yung mag-asawang Chamson.
Napatay.
But in the circumstances, I think, nung paano sila napatay, they were on the run.
They were on the run.
In Samar, right?
Sama ro.
Oo.
Tsaka binomba yun.
Binomba. Otherwise,
Binomba.
dito mo lang makikita yung mga leader nila. Nandito lang yan.
Hindi nakita yung body.
Oo.
So, para mag-full circle tayo, doon sa 5 na, injustice, poverty,
Sabi
sa NDCP. So, yun nga yun.
Study says.
Study says.
Ilang taon kaya nila binuo yung study na yung Manny?
Tagal.
Oo.
Hindi, paulit-ulit lang eh.
It's ongoing for 55 years now.
Oo.
Okay. I think we can end on that note.
Pinaparapap na tayo.